Hey guys, welcome once again to the Dev Masters YouTube channel. So, this is the fifth video in my CkEditor on Django series. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get rid of the following warning that gets outputted in the browser console. This one right here: export PDF no token URL. So, if you've been following the series, you've noticed that we've been able to work on setting up the CkEditor for the admin dashboard. That's the one that Django creates for you automatically. That's this one right here. Then we were also able to set it up in the front end. That's in the HTML page right here. So now we can also create objects in our blog model from this form right here. So to fix that error now, let me go back to the error. All you have to do is go to your settings.py, quotation mark, add, remove capital P. Remember the P is capitalized, so remove plugins, exports PDF. Let me see, remove plugins, exports PDF. Yeah, that's all. So the thing is, the cause of this error is because the export PDF token URL configuration variable for CkEditor is not specified. So and also is this plugin, its use is that it allows you to easily print WYSIWYG editor content. That's the content of a CkEditor. It allows you to print it in a PDF file. So if you know you're not actually going to be using it, you can just add this line of code to remove it, so that error. If you check the browser now, let me refresh. You can see the warning is gone. It's no longer there. So as a bonus, I was trying to explain in the last video how you can customize the height of this form of this text editor. Let's say you want to change the height because this actually looks big. So to change the heights, first of all, let me make the form centralized. I'll just add display of grid, justify content center, then refresh it. Okay, now it's centralized. So let's say I want to change the heights. You just go to settings.py, comma, heights. Let's make this, let's say 200. So you want to make it 200. So in a way, this is pardon what I said earlier, this is actually okay. But let's say you are using it for something like your comment section, this is going to be too big. So you're going to need to do a hard refresh for it to work, for you to see the changes. So as you can see, it's now smaller. So you can play around with that value to get until when you reach the height that suits you. So in this video now, we've been able to get rid of the warning that gets outputted as the export PDF no URL warning that gets outputted to the browser console. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can enable code snippet plugin for your CkEditor. Now the code snippet plugin is what is responsible for allowing you to add actual programming codes and gives it a very nice highlights depending on the particular language that you added. If you add HTML, the colors will be different. It just makes adding code to your web page to look much more nicer. So I'm going to explain all about that in the next video. So as always, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be updated whenever I release any new content. So until next time.